Acorns Later Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Acorns Later is the retirement-focused extension of Acorns, an automated investing app designed for hands-off, long-term wealth building. It offers Roth, traditional, and CP IRAs, making it ideal for beginners or those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach. With Acorns Later, your contributions are automatically invested into diversified ETF portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. The platform uses modern portfolio theory to optimize asset allocation, ensuring a balanced mix of stocks and bonds. A key feature is Roundups, which automatically invests spare change from everyday purchases, making it effortless to grow your retirement savings. Acorns Later is best suited for individuals looking for a simple, low-maintenance way to start or enhance their retirement investments. The app charges a flat $3 per month, which includes access to Acorns Invest and Acorns Banking, and $5 per month for a family plan that allows custodial accounts. While this pricing model is straightforward, it can be costly.